Acura teasing its first hybrid step with the RDX. Acura unveils its first hybrid model, the RDX, marking a significant step towards a hybrid powertrain lineup in its compact SUV segment. Tesla launches a 7-seat version of the 2026 Model Y. Tesla introduces a 7-seat variant of the 2026 Model Y, expanding seating capacity for families and larger groups. We test 5 Geely cars from China. But are any coming to the US market? We've tested 5 Geely cars, finding them competitive with other automakers. However, uncertainty remains if they will enter the US market. California's governor plans to set aside $200 million for state F tax credits. California governor proposes $200 million for electric vehicle tax credits. US urges its citizens to flee Venezuela amid reports of paramilitaries. The US urges its citizens to flee Venezuela due to reports of paramilitaries setting up roadblocks and searching for Americans. Following the capture of President Nicolas Maduro, the State Department has issued a security alert. Sony and Honda think the future of cars is a big screen and gaming. Sony and Honda's Afeela 1 reimagines driving with a focus on tech and gaming. But its 6-figure price tag raises questions. The affordable sedan isn't dead. Just ask Toyota. Toyota's Corolla saw a sales surge in 2025, bucking the trend as compact cars face stiff competition from small crossovers in the automotive market. Pioneer Sphera is bringing Dolby Atmos in cars to the people. Pioneer Sphera brings immersive Dolby Atmos audio to cars, offering a rich sound experience with as few as 4 speakers installed. The single-DIN receiver is set to revolutionize in-car entertainment. CES 2026, Longbo Motors shows off its Speedster EV with Donut Labs in-wheel motors. Longbo Motors unveils its Speedster EV at CES 2026, featuring Donut Labs' revolutionary in-wheel motor technology. Is it even worth mentioning that Elon Musk blew past his own full self-driving goals again? Elon Musk's full self-driving goals for Tesla Robotaxi service by end of 2025 were not met, with the service still requiring human supervision in Boston and San Francisco. Hyundai thinks the next mobility revolution isn't a car. Hyundai envisions the future of mobility as AI-powered robots, shifting focus from cars. AWS, Aumovio expand AI-driven development of self-driving vehicles. AWS and Aumovio join forces to advance AI technology in the development of self-driving vehicles. EV maker VinFast's Vietnam deliveries nearly double in 2025. VinFast's electric vehicle deliveries in Vietnam nearly doubled in 2025, indicating significant growth in the automotive sector. Cars24 acquires vehicle information platform CarInfo. Used car marketplace Cars24 acquires vehicle information platform CarInfo for an undisclosed amount, expanding its offerings. The CarInfo app, used by 12 million users, aims to simplify car ownership. Cars24 co-founder Vikram Chopra praised CarInfo's long-term success. Sony Honda Mobility unveils new prototype EV at CES in Las Vegas. Sony Honda Mobility reveals a new electric vehicle prototype at CES 2023 in Las Vegas, signaling a potential shift in the automotive industry. Why some people can't stay away from alcohol, even when they know it's hurting them, CNN. Despite health warnings, many individuals struggle to limit their alcohol consumption due to factors within their body and environment. Explore the reasons behind this addiction. Kansas City hit by a new super flu variant causing a surge of cases, KCUR. A new and highly contagious super flu strain is causing a surge of cases in Kansas City, accounting for 80% of active flu cases. Health officials are monitoring the situation closely. Wrexham 3-3 Nottingham Forest. January 9, 2026. Game analysis, ESPN. A thrilling English FA Cup match between Wrexham and Nottingham Forest ends in a 3-3 draw on January 9, 2026. ESPN's expert analysis reveals a gripping encounter. Our perspective regarding the situation in Venezuela was shared with President Trump. ExxonMobil Corporation. ExxonMobil discusses future of oil and gas industry in Venezuela with President Trump. Scientists thought Parkinson's was in our genes. It might be in the water. Wired. New research suggests that environmental factors, not just genetics, could play a role in Parkinson's disease. The potential link to water is intriguing.